Unlock your sales potential and transform how you manage customer relationships with Pipedrive CRM. Let's start by setting up your Pipedrive account. Head over to the Pipedrive website and click on Get Started Free to begin your 14-day trial. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Take a moment to personalize your company name and industry, which helps Pipedrive tailor your experience. Once your account is set up, you'll land on your Pipedrive dashboard. This is the central hub for all your sales activities. Pipedrive is built around the concept of a visual sales pipeline. Think of it as an interactive board representing your sales stages. Your sales pipeline helps you track every deal from initial contact to closing. You can customize these stages to perfectly match your unique sales process. To add a new deal, simply click the Add Deal button. When creating a deal, give it a clear name, assign a value if applicable, and link it to either an existing contact or organization, or create a new one right then and there. This keeps everything organized and connected. Speaking of contacts, Pipedrive makes organizing your customer information a breeze. Navigate to the Contacts section here. You can add new contacts, import existing lists, and view all their associated activities, deals, and notes in one place. Each contact card provides a comprehensive history. Organizations are crucial for grouping contacts that belong to the same company. This allows you to see all related individuals and their deals at a glance, providing a holistic view of your client relationships. Back on your pipeline, you can seamlessly drag and drop deals between stages as they progress. This visual movement is key to understanding where each deal stands and what needs to happen next to optimize your sales efforts. Pipedrive offers powerful features like activity scheduling. You can set reminders for calls, meetings, or follow-ups directly within a deal or contact. This ensures nothing falls through the cracks and that you're always on top of your outreach by consistently updating your deals and activities. Pipedrive provides valuable insights into your sales performance. It's a powerful tool designed to streamline your workflow, improve customer relationships, and ultimately boost your sales.